morning, all of you. Carbonyl compounds. In this, we are going to discuss the preparation of aldehyde and ketones by hydration of alkynes, a triple bonded compound. Hydra, water molecule. Hydration, addition of water molecule to an alkyne. The water molecule is provided by 40% dilute sulfuric acid H2SO4, and in this hydration of alkyne 1% mercuric sulfate HgSO4 is used as a catalyst. This method used to prepare both aldehyde and ketones. Hydration of acetylene, the first triple bonded compound, yield acetaldehyde, ethanol. Now, acetylene CH, triple bond CH. Common name acetylene. The IUPAC name is 2-carbon eth carbon-carbon triple bond ion ethine. Addition of water molecule H plus OH minus, H plus OH minus, in presence of dilute sulfuric acid H2SO4 and 40% dilute sulfuric acid, 1% mercuric sulfate is used as a catalyst. We know usually a double bonded or triple bonded compound undergo addition reaction. H plus is added to one carbon, OH minus is added to another carbon. A triple bond is converted into a double bond. CH2, already it has one hydrogen. Now we are adding another hydrogen, CH2, double bond CH, and now we are adding one OH group. This compound is an unstable. It immediately undergo, it isomerizes, actually tautomerases, isomerizes. Tautomerases means one hydrogen atom from a compound move from one atom to another atom within the molecule. Now H becomes H plus, the bond between oxygen and hydrogen shifted between carbon and oxygen, one more bond shift takes place due to repulsive force, and this H plus is added to this carbon, this bond. So what is the product obtained? We have carbon, here you have one hydrogen, here you have one hydrogen, this bond shifted to that hydrogen is added. So here you have single bond carbon, one hydrogen, double bond oxygen. When we write this compound as CH3CHO, nothing but our acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? 2-carbon eth carbon-carbon single bond ane, aldehyde ale, ethanol or ethanol, ethanol or ethanol. We can use this one. And one more hydration of alkene we are going to discuss now. Hydration of alkynes other than acetylene gives ketones. Other than acetylene gives ketone. For an example, 3-carbon alkyne CH3, C, triple bond CH. 3-carbon propane, triple bond ion, position of triple bond 1. Prop 1 ion. Undergo hydration, addition of H plus and OH minus in presence of 42% dilute sulfuric acid and mercuric sulfate used as a catalyst. Unsymmetrical alkyne follows Markovnikov rule, we know. Negative part of the molecule is added to the triple bonded carbon atom which contain lesser number of hydrogen or no hydrogen. H plus automatically added to the next carbon atom gives CH3. Now the center carbon contain, now we are adding one OH to the center carbon atom. Triple bond is converted into a double bond. One H is added to this carbon becomes CH2. This is your unstable compound. Presence of a double bond. When we give numbering 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon prop carbon double bond in OH all, position of in 1, position of all 2. Enol, simply enol. And this undergo isomerization, tautomerization. This compound isomerizes. H becomes H plus. Bond between oxygen and hydrogen shifted between carbon and oxygen. One more bond shifting takes place. To this bond H plus is added. To this bond H plus is added. So what happens? CH3 C double bond O single bond. This bond shifted towards the carbon atom. This H is added. So CH2 becomes CH3. Nothing but our ketone. Common name we know, acetone dimethyl ketone. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? 3 carbon prop carbon single bond in ketone one proper. One more name I forgot to tell, the intermediate compound formed in the first reaction, acetylene hydration reaction. So this is nothing but CH2 double bond CHOH. Common name vinyl alcohol. What is IUPAC name? 2 carbon eth double bond in OH all, ethanol. Vinyl alcohol, also called ethanol. So in this video we discussed the hydration of alkyne from acetylene and propane, how aldehyde and ketones are obtained. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.